7 emerging benefits of Bacopa Monnierii. Medically reviewed by Ismael Fernando, by Ryan Rahman at SRD. Bacopa Monnierii is an ancient herbal remedy that today has proven benefits. It may help improve inflammation. Brahmi grows in wet tropical environments, and its ability to thrive underwater makes it popular for aquarium use. Bacopa has been used by Ayurvedic medical practitioners for centuries for a variety of purposes, including improving memory, reducing anxiety, and treating epilepsy. In fact, research has shown that it may boost brain function and alleviate anxiety and stress, among other benefits. A class of powerful compounds called baricides is Bacopa's believed to be responsible for these benefits. There are 7 emerging benefits of Bacopa. 1. It contains powerful antioxidants. Antioxidants are substances that help protect against cell damage caused by potentially harmful molecules called free radicals. Research suggests that damage caused by free radicals is linked to many chronic conditions, such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Bacopa contains powerful compounds that may have antioxidant effects. For example, baricides, the main active compounds in Bacopa, have been shown to neutralize free radicals and prevent fat molecules from reacting with free radicals. When fat molecules react with free radicals, they undergo a process called lipid peroxidation. Lipid peroxidation is linked to several conditions such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and other neurodegenerative disorders. Bacopa may help prevent damage caused by this process. For example, an older study showed that treating rats with dementia with Bacopa reduced free radical damage and reversed signs of memory impairment. More studies in humans are needed to better understand the effects of Bacopa on a neurodegenerative diseases, if any. A systematic review of 5 randomized controlled trials found no benefit of this herb in the treatment of Alzheimer's, though the authors did note that the studies were of small sample size. Inflammation is your body's natural response to help heal and fight disease. However, chronic low-level inflammation has been linked to many chronic conditions, even cancer, diabetes, and heart and kidney disease. In test tube studies, Bacopa appeared to suppress the release of pro-inflammatory cytokines, which are molecules that stimulate an inflammatory immune response. Also, in test tube and animal studies, it inhibited enzymes such as glycogenesis, capsaicin, and lipogenesis, all of which play key roles in inflammation and pain. What's more, in animal studies, Bacopa had anti-inflammatory effects comparable to those of diclofenac and indomethacin, 2 non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs commonly used to treat inflammation. Nonetheless, more research is needed to determine whether Bacopa reduces inflammation in humans. 3. It may boost brain function. Older studies suggest that Bacopa may help enhance brain function. For example, one study in mice showed that supplementing with Bacopa improved their spatial learning and ability to retain information linked to learning and memory. Additionally, a 12-week study in 46 healthy adults observed that taking 300 milligrams of Bacopa daily significantly improved the speed of processing visual information, learning rate, and memory compared with the placebo treatment. Another 12-week study of 60 older adults found that taking either 300 milligrams or 600 milligrams of Bacopa extract daily improved memory, attention, and the ability to process information compared with the placebo treatment. 4. May help reduce ADHD symptoms. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder is a neurodevelopmental disorder that is characterized by symptoms like hyperactivity, impulsivity, and inattentiveness. Interestingly, research has shown that Bacopa may help reduce ADHD symptoms. One study in 31 children aged 6 to 12 years found that taking 225 milligrams of Bacopa extract daily for 6 months significantly reduced ADHD symptoms such as restlessness, poor self-control, inattention, and impulsivity in 85% of the children. A more recent study of 112 males aged 6 to 14 years with ADHD found, although some of the findings are promising, more large-scale studies examining the effects of Bacopa on ADHD are needed before it can be recommended as a treatment. 5. May prevent anxiety and stress. Bacopa may help prevent anxiety and stress, and it's considered an adaptogenic herb, meaning it increases your body's resistance to stress. Research suggests that Bacopa helps reduce stress and anxiety by alleviating your mood and reducing levels of cortisol, a hormone that is closely linked to stress levels. One rodent study showed that Bacopa had anti-anxiety effects comparable to those of lorazepam, benzodiazepine, a prescription medication used to treat anxiety. However, human studies on Bacopa and anxiety showed mixed results. For example, 2 12-week human studies found that taking 300 milligrams of Bacopa daily significantly reduced anxiety and depression scores in adults compared with the placebo treatment. A more recent human study found that taking 500 milligrams of Bacopa twice daily for 4 weeks reduced depression, anxiety, and stress. Yet another human study found that treatment with Bacopa had no effect on anxiety. More large-scale human studies are needed to confirm its effects. 6. May help lower blood pressure levels. High blood pressure is a serious health concern as it places strain on your heart and blood vessels, and this can weaken your heart and increase your risk of heart disease. Recent research suggests that Bacopa may help keep blood pressure within a healthy range. In one animal study, Bacopa reduced both systolic and diastolic blood pressure levels, and it did this by releasing nitric oxide, which helps dilate blood vessels, resulting in improved blood flow and lower blood pressure. A 2020 study of 69 participants on high blood pressure medication, found an herbal supplement which included Bacopa, among other herbs, lowered blood pressure and increased nitric oxide levels. However, one older 12-week study of 54 healthy older adults found that taking 300 milligrams of Bacopa daily had no effect on blood pressure levels. Based on current findings, Bacopa may lower blood pressure in animals with high blood pressure levels. Nevertheless, more human research is required to confirm these effects. 7. May have anti-cancer properties. Test tube and animal studies have found that Bacopa may have anti-cancer properties. Bacosides, the active class of compounds in Bacopa, may have anti-cancer properties. They're an active class of compounds that have been shown to kill aggressive brain tumor cells and inhibit the growth of breast, brain, and colon cancer cells in test tube studies. Additionally, Bacopa may induce breast cancer cell death in animal and test tube studies. And research suggests that the high levels of antioxidants and compounds like the bacosides in Bacopa may be responsible for its cancer-fighting properties. Keep in mind that these results are from test tube and animal studies. And until there are more human studies on Bacopa and cancer, it cannot be recommended as a treatment. Bacopa side effects. While Bacopa is considered safe, it may cause side effects in some people. For example, it may cause digestive symptoms including nausea, stomach cramps, and diarrhea. And furthermore, Bacopa is not recommended for pregnant or breastfeeding women, as no studies have assessed the safety of its use during pregnancy or lactation. And finally, it may interact with certain medications, including amitriptyline, a medication used as an antidepressant and for pain relief. If you are taking any medications, speak with your healthcare provider before taking Bacopa. Summary. Bacopa is generally safe, but some people may experience nausea, stomach cramps, and diarrhea. Pregnant women should avoid this herb, while those on medication should speak with their healthcare provider before taking it. Bacopa may be purchased online and from health food stores. It's available in several forms, including capsules and powders. Typical dosages for Bacopa extract in human studies range from 300 to 450 milligrams per day. However, dosage recommendations may vary widely depending on the product you purchase. If you have questions regarding dosage, speak with a qualified health professional to ensure your safety. This powdered form can be added to hot water to make a soothing tea, and it can be also mixed with ghee, a form of clarified butter, and added to warm water to make an herbal drink. Although Bacopa is considered safe for most people, speak with your healthcare provider before taking it to ensure your safety and proper usage. Summary. Bacopa is available in several forms, but is most commonly taken in capsule form. Typical dosages range from 300 to 450 milligrams per day.